Hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the exact steps on how you can access all of your stuff, that is basically all of the documents and artifacts that you have created or shared from Gemini. So if you wish to have access to all of the photos or documents or videos or any other outputs that Gemini has created for you, then this video is for you as you can get access to them within just a single click. So if you wish to access all of these things that Gemini has created for you, all you will need to do is simply click onto this My Stuff option in your Gemini windows. Once you click onto this My Stuff option, you can see there are different subcategories like documents, media, and if I scroll down, you can see even more. From here, you can simply open any particular media as you want. So for example, let's say if I have opened this particular image, it will show you the particular chat in which I have created this image. So that's how easily you can find all of the photos, videos, or any other artifact like a document which you have created using your Gemini AI. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.